This is my review of my Amethyst Spruce 9-foot pre-lit snow-flocked Christmas tree, 800 warm lights, artificial trees with pine cone decor. And I wanted to show y'all every piece that we've got in this, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about how we put it together and then how we fluff our tree. So there you see that's the stand. It's pretty universal stand just like everybody else has. The first piece on the bottom, as you'll see, I'll come together with this and start, it's on a hinge, and so it'll just hinge down. And then with each little branch, you will notice that you are to do 2 branches down, 1 branch up on each little piece to make it look as authentic as it possibly can. It has to take shape through the day, as you see, but you see the cord there that is going to come out the bottom that is going to be plugged in like it is right there. That's plugged in so that you can see that all of those lights are working beautifully. And you see that light, that hole there, and you see there I am fluffing 2 down, 1 up, 2 down, 1 up to make sure that everything looks beautiful. And you can see that pine cone over there. We have this is a tree that we got last year, and we absolutely love it. It's a 9-foot tall, 54-inch diameter base and features 2022 PVC, hard needle tips, 25 pine cone decor. It is pre-lit. It's pre-strung with 800 UL certified warm white lights. What's good about this, and y'all all know this, that the lights will stay on even when a bulb goes out. And that helps a lot, unlike the older time trees. The snow-flocked leaves create a unique wintry feel, fire resistance, and non-allergenic is what it says, which is good. It's an easy setup and it's very sturdy metal stand that's included. We have loved it. Yeah, does it make a mess? If I have to say anything negative about this tree, it is flocked, and so it is an artificial flocked tree, and so that white is indeed going to get on your floor. So you're going to be vacuuming, especially right after setup and then when you tear it down. But this is the second year we've used this tree, and it still looks beautiful. It's still got a ton. We didn't lose a lot of the flocking in the bag that it came in. We didn't use that much. So you see there, it's not completely fluffed yet. Still not completely fluffed, but there it is. And I think you should put this in your cart because it is an absolutely gorgeous flocked tree and it will look beautiful in your home. So put that in your cart today.